guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon count. We are doing our Wednesday Dollar Tree coupon, and also I am doing my DIY Dollar Tree haul for 31 days of Halloween. So let's get it going. Okay, I found some eyes. I grabbed a couple of packs of that. Let me see. I do want these spiders, but I don't think I'm going to use it for too many things. So I'm going to just grab one.
Get these,
okay, we need serpent eyes. Okay, we got these. Oh, this that creepy cloth. We need one of those. We might could use the creepy cloth for the serpent. Okay, I'm gonna grab one of these signs right here. And I want this to go into the. Oh, look at that! He got the separate little legs right here. So we could probably do 2 separate legs. Okay. The 31 days of Halloween, guys, is so fun. Oh my God, you guys have to tune in to every day I do a 31 days of Halloween DIY. So I have not really used these spiders, but I got some projects that I know I'm gonna need them for, so I'll go ahead on and get that. And what is this? That's a light, spider light. That's cute. Let me see. Yeah, I just picked up a plastic rat here. I did not see the the hand. Oh, okay, guys, here's the little skeletons that go in the thing. Come here, because I got a good project for that one. And what is this? Look, that do another thing of skulls, because I already done went through those. Okay, so they starting to mix Christmas up in here. So you all know, as soon as November 1st hit, is DIY Christmas for the next 30 days. I guess so. I wanted the big book, but I guess this one will work for now.
This should be a little bit bigger.
I know, but I don't see any big one. Okay. Okay, guys, so one of my projects is going to be Hocus Pocus book. Okay, I got to get to some big Mod Podge, but for now, the small one's going to have to work. Okay, guys, so we got the hauls on sale. It's 14 of these. We can use our coupon today out of from the 10-4 insert. Let's grab 2 of these. Pick that up. And let me see. I don't know if the Hall's defense will work, but I'll grab these 2. But they should work, but we don't know. I couldn't find that Vicks Vapor coupon, guys. Okay, so these are the coupons that we are using. They are from this week's insert. When I get home, I will let you all know where that I get them from, okay? See these, guys? If that coupon, when it was $1, it worked on these, okay? So be looking out for those again. Guys, remember that Afrin coupon? Any Afrin? Look at that. I wonder if it would have worked in here. I didn't bring it, but I don't like using this, but it's up in here. So Afrin in Dollar Tree, check it out. Oh, if you guys get some Ricola coupons, here they are, right here. Now, this is the first for the Ricolas I saw. There's the Tylenol, Advil. Let me see, 6. You have to watch which strength they are, how many is in the pack. And here is the Colgate toothbrushes. These are $1, and the coupon we have is for $1, so that makes these free. So I'm gonna, and the limit is 4. I'm gonna see how many out there let me use though. So this is the coupon for that. So this is a free item. We're gonna grab 4 of them. So as of now, I do not see anything for this coupon, guys. So that we will not be getting here. It's usually the little bitty bottles, but they made it Pacific. Hey guys, and welcome to Ivy's Coupon Count, and you know him at the Dollar Tree. Look at this. Oh, I'm gonna grab a couple of these. I'm gonna grab about 4 of those. So I'm gonna grab about 4, and then I'm gonna see if we make some. I'm gonna grab one of those. Look at that. It's so fluffy. It's fluffy. Look at the what's that made of? Oh, I know it's made out of like an ornament. Oh, they got so many things. I like the Noel signs and the peace signs. Okay, guys. So now I'm on a quest for pool noodles because I don't see any. Get one set of these. Yes, they've already moved the Halloween stuff out of the way and put in Christmas. So, wow. Like literally it's gone. Just disappeared. I like those. I like a lot of those. I might grab a couple of those. Oh, with the cotton on it. It's got cotton stems. That's cute. Is that a whole? Oh, that's a whole set. That's cute. Oh, they got little villages this time. They have some villages. Cobblestone corners. Those are so cute. Look at that. That's so gorgeous. Oh, wow. Cute, 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 cute. Okay. So these make good for reefs outside. Okay, guys. Here's the nutcrackers. Blue, a green, and what is it? Oh, black. And they have a black one. Also so gorgeous. Okay, so any lights you need, here they are, illuminated lights. I actually need lights for my Halloween crafts. Okay. Oh, they got elves, and that's a light. That's a light. Okay. Oh, what's that? Lemon cookie mix. Oh, Betty Crocker lemon cookie mix. That's gonna be good. I need this. And I need this one. See that? That's when all this stuff gets to running in together. Okay. Remember the tinsel? There it is. It's out. Extension cords. I needed tons of those last year. I'm gonna get one of these. Even though I have one, I need one more. And here is the craft bottles, and they made out of plastic, which I like these much better than those other ones. So I'm gonna grab a couple of these. Okay, but sure I'll be doing more. I'll be coming back for more, and then when I come back, it'll be there's some more Halloween stuff. So I'm gonna go over there because I am still looking for Halloween stuff. Oh, is this the mesh? Okay, so here's the red mesh. And I need a white mesh. Oh, white and red. Okay. What are these? A little tree for $1. That's cute. Now that's gorgeous. You can make this and put it inside as a wreath. That'll be cute too. I'm still thinking if I'm gonna do 31, the 25 days of Christmas. I'm gonna still get one of these. Okay. Oh wow, look at that. Okay. So here, let me get about 3 of these. Oh, those are much smaller. See what size that was again. So I need 2 more of these. 2. Okay. Gotta just decorate, and Let's see. That's glitter, Thule. That's glitter. I want that. Okay. Tree skirts with this red truck on there. And then those. That's gorgeous. You're gonna need plenty of ribbon. So ribbon, see all that ribbon? You'll need plenty of that. Plenty of ribbons. But I won't get now. Okay. So let's go this way. Oh, they got dry erase calendars out. Let's see. I can get one of these. Like literally the store is changing in front of our face. Guys, I need food noodles. Where can I get them from? Help me quickly. I need 2 more of these. And then I'm gonna need I definitely need some more. Oh, those are bat spiders. I need those. And I'm gonna need some more of these. And I don't see any spider webs. Was I that far behind? That's cute. I like that. Okay, guys, so I am basically looking for, I was looking for the pool noodles. They don't have those. So this is like my big Dollar Tree I come in. So this is like my big Dollar Tree that I come to, and it's filled with everything in it. She basically told me that the pool noodles they put away for the winter, and it'll probably be a no chance. So I just thought of another idea of what I could use. So don't worry about that. 31 days of Halloween will continue, and then November 1st, it will become the 25 days of Christmas. Good. Motion sensors. Oh, that one don't work. So those are motion activated ornaments. So when you walk past, they're supposed to go off. And all the glasses you could do, make all kind of portion cups, all type of stuff. So this would be perfect if you want to make like some potion cups. These are super heavy, super heavy. So they have all of their glasses, and they have different colors, which these would be perfect to make different stands, to use as stands for your stuff.